Today we have a video from Body Cam Stories, and the title of the video is Moments Before She Makes a Terrible Decision.
And you were breaking up on me pretty bad on the phone.
I know. This building is horrible. Yeah, she's being unsuccessfully discharged. So whenever they unsuccessfully discharge them, Volusia County issues a warrant for pickup. And then they come get her from the jail and take her back to Volusia County.
So she was here on probation.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, yeah. I got you.
Yeah.
Why am I going to jail?
Because we have had to have many conversations with you, Trinity.
I haven't been doing anything.
Yes, sweetheart. Yes, you have. You just went off on staff yesterday.
No, I didn't.
So everyone's lying on you, Trinity?
I did not go off on staff yesterday. I was completely respectful yesterday.
No, you were not, baby. This has been an ongoing issue. And you remember I had a conversation with you and we talked about it? We have tried to help you time after time and we're not seeing any changes. So from our clinical standpoint, we don't feel like you are ready right now for this.
Miss Latrice, I am. I've really been trying to do better, please.
Trinity, baby, we just had, staff was just telling me today how you got upset and you were disrespectful. It's an everyday thing, Trinity. So at this moment, Volusia County Drug Court has put out a warrant and then Marion County has to take you into custody until Volusia comes to get you.
Once they put out a warrant, we ain't got a choice in the matter.
Yeah. And I told you, we communicate with the referral sources and they have a say-so just as much as we have a say-so. So it's the Judge Blackburn, Drug Court, and us. We all collaborate together.
Can I grab my phone numbers, please?
I tell you what, why don't you let one of them grab the phone numbers and your property and things like that?
And we'll get your medication too. And we'll take everything so you can have everything when you go to Volusia.
How much stuff is it? Like bags and bags and bags?
No, you just had did you have a cell phone?
Yeah.
So I can get her cell phone, your ID.
I had 3 phones. I had my ID, my phone numbers. Pixie got 2 of my shoes.
So you can't take all that stuff with you. But can she take the phones?
Yeah,
okay, so I'll get your phones and your medication.
Okay, and my phone numbers is in a pink planner on my dresser.
I don't know.
Yes, you can take the planner.
So we'll get that for you. It's in a pink planner?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll get that and we'll give it to the officer to take with you.
Okay.
All right?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, Trinity, let's jump over here. Nah, this way.
I'm not going to jail.
You're gonna get tased. You're gonna get tased. Tased.
Come on, man. Really? In her mind, she thinks that she has the capabilities of outrunning the officer. Oh yeah. Don't make no sense. And then you heard what he said. Taser, taser, taser. About to get you together, man.
This way.
I'm not going to jail.
You're gonna get tased. You're gonna get tased. Taser.
Ooh, face first? Ooh. Got her together.
Lay on the ground. Right now, you're gonna get it again. Lay on the ground or you're gonna get it again.
Her face.
6-2-14, 1031, taser deployed. You're gonna get it again. Roll over on your stomach.
Moving it out of my pants.
Roll over on your stomach now. I got another cartridge if you do that. Put your hands behind your back. Do not move. Do you understand me?
Not only are you going back to jail, but you're going back to jail with more charges.
You didn't have to do any of that. Six, 2-14. You can clear it. 10-15.
6-14. Yeah, we had to get someone together. Yeah, 10-4. 10-4. You can clear it. They're acting right.
Where do you need to take off 35?
Just keep one routine. Can you also have medics 51? So you got a head injury from hitting the pavement.
Yeah, have medics on standby. Can you send medics? She smacked her head off the pavement, just bounced like a basketball, regular day at the office, 10-4.
All right, I'm gonna roll you on your side and then we're gonna stand up, okay? Put your legs underneath you. Now we'll roll up and stand, okay? Got it? One second. Really wish you wouldn't have done all that. We're gonna go on this passenger side. I'll get you in the shade.
And I have my handcuffs in the front, please.
Absolutely not. You just ran from me.
She got the nerve to ask for favors
If you hadn't
too.
ran from me, then yes. All right. Hang tight for a second. I'm gonna pull this other probe out of you.
Southwest 65, Southwest 65, it's going to be a white Porsche. No visible license plate.
You may have a brief pinch here, okay? So just stand by with me. Anything in this other pocket? Have a seat. I got medics to come check you out, okay? Pick me up. Dang, I use my own bag.
So those are her meds, and then these are her things. I don't know what's in that envelope, but
I'll go through
I don't
it.
know what's in there.
My sergeant's on the way.
Okay.
When he gets, you can go inside if you want, but when he gets here, he might want to talk with you since you were out here and all.
Okay. Yep. That's fine.
But yeah, if you want to
Okay.
chill out, you ain't got to stare in the hot sun.
Thank you. You tried. You tried.
Yes. So she decided to run from me and got tased in the back. Unfortunately, it was on the pavement, so she got a little scuff up on her face.
Was this here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So.
Is she for sure going?
Oh yes. Don't run off now.
When am I gonna go on the fucking handcuff?
16, we're done. No, just.
Yeah, because her head bounced off the ground.
I was like, come on.
Yeah, I mean, where are you really going to get?
Like, we're standing out there and the lady talks with her. All fine and good. Okay, I understand. I'm going to jail. Yep. Okay. As soon as the lady quits talking, I ain't going to jail. Dang it.
I'm sure the tape was worth.
Very. Even with 3 hip surgeries.
Probably
Well, problem is she went that way.
okay.
And
Yeah, you don't want to do any buildings or something like that.
yeah. So had an easy one and now it's hospital trip.
Yeah. And then, are you gonna run PC for the run?
Yeah, I'm just gonna do the run and they can do the in custody on the 49s. I think like 3.
For what?
Cocaine, felony bat, ag bat.
Yeah. Damn, man. Woo, they got her together, boy. I don't get it. She really thought that she was gonna outrun the cop. No, that's not happening. Like, yeah, can some people outrun the cops? Yeah, whatever. But just by taking a, they say don't judge a book by its cover, but I'm just looking at the stature, the frame there, and I'm like, I don't think this one's gonna work out. Damn. Oof. Had to learn the hard way, huh? If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.